Wagwan me people, welcome to Learn TV. Now you ever want carrot cake fast, like so fast you can't even blink? Well me show you the quickest, tastiest carrot cake pon the planet. No long chat, just mix, bake and nyam. Let's get it. Step 1. Mixing up dye goodness. 175 grams of brown sugar. Boom! Sweet like reggae vibes. 200 milliliters of oil. Smooth, silky, mix up the ting. 2 eggs beaten. Yeah man, make it fluffy. If you whisk slow, your cake slow. We nerd do slow round here, my friend. Get the ting moving. Step 2. Dry ingredients for flour. 225 grams of flour. Yeah, see the clouds? Fluffy. 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. A little science magic, yeah Zimmy. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Warm and cozy, like grandma house. 1/4 teaspoon of mixed spice. Feed that extra kick. Pinch of grated nutmeg. A little dash make the whole ting pop. If cake na smell good before it bake, mine na trust it. Step 3. Star player, carrots and nuts. 175 grams of grated carrots. Chia have carrot cake without carrot, me know that. 110 grams of chopped walnuts. Optional. But if you add them, mad ting, trust me. This is when the cake start looking sexy. You see the colors? Vibes pon vibes, me tell ya. Step 4. Into the oven. Now we bake at 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 535 minutes, not 1 second more. Go take a little dance break while you wait. Step 5. The sweetest frosting. 50 grams of icing sugar, snowfall pondy tropics. 50 grams of unsalted butter, soft and smooth like mi patois. 110 grams of full-fat cream cheese, the secret to that velvety, creamy perfection. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, freshness fee balance the sweetness. You see this? If you don't want to lick the spoon, you do it wrong. Step 6. The grand finale. Lord have mercy. This cake's so good. Me huffy change me number cause everybody gonna beg me for the recipe. And just like that, you got the quickest, tastiest carrot cake in the whole world. Try it out, share it with your people, and remember, food is love. Catch you next time pon Learn TV. Stay blessed, me fam.